Let R be a relation defined as xy such that x squared plus y squared equals 25. What is the domain of R? A from -5 to 5. B x less than or equal to 5. C x greater than or equal to 0. D x an element of or real number. Answer A. If f of x equals square root of 4 minus x and g of x equals x squared minus 1, what is the domain of f of g of x? A x less than or equal to 2. B x from negative root 5 up to positive root 5. C from -2 up to 2. D x less than or equal to -2 or x greater than or equal to 2. Answer B. A function f is defined by f of x equals ax plus b if f of 1 equals 5 and f of 2 equals 20. What is the value of a dot b? A 4, B 6, C 8, D 10. Answer B. The graph of f of x equals absolute value of x is shifted 3 units to the left and 2 units down. What is the new function? A f of x equals absolute value of x plus 3 minus 2. B f of x equals absolute value of x minus 3 minus 2. C f of x equals x plus 2 in the absolute value minus 3. D f of x equals absolute value of x minus 2 plus 3. Answer A. Which of the following relation is not a function? A 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. B y equals square root of x. C x equals absolute value of y. D y equals x cube. Answer C. When the polynomial f of x equals x cube plus ax squared plus bx plus 8 is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is 10. When it is divided by x plus 1, the remainder is 4. What is the value of a plus b? A 5, B 7, C 9, D 11. Answer B. If x minus 1 and x plus 2 are both factor of p of x equals x cubed plus px squared plus qx plus 6, what is the value of p minus q? A minus 1, B 1, C 5, D 7. Answer D. The graph of a cubic polynomial function has a turning point at 1, 4 and passes through the point 0, 2. Which of the following could be the function? A f of x equals x minus 1 the whole cube plus 4. B f of x equals minus x minus 1 the whole cube plus 4. C f of x equals x minus 1 the whole cube minus 4. D f of x equals minus x minus 1 the whole cube minus 4. Answer B. What is the remainder when x the power of 100 minus 2x the power of 51 plus 1 is divided by x plus 1? A 0, B 2, C 4, D minus 2. Answer C. If f of x equals 2x minus 1 and g of x equals x squared plus 3. What is f of g of minus 1? A 3, B 5, C 7, D 9. Answer C. Which of the following function is 1 to 1? A. f of x equals x squared. B. f of x equals absolute value of x. C. f of x equals x cubed. D. f of x equals square root of x squared. Answer C. The vertex of a parabola y equals 2x squared minus 8x plus 5 is at A 2, minus 3, B 4, 5, C 1, negative 1, D negative 2, 29. Answer A. A polynomial of degree 4 has zeros at x equals minus 2, 0, 1, and 3. If the graph passes through 2, negative 8, what is the leading coefficient? A minus 1, B 1, C 2, D negative 2. Answer B. The set x, y such that y greater than or equal to x squared and y less than or equal to 4 describes A parabola, B a line, C a region bounded by a parabola and a line, D a single point. Answer C. If f of x equals 1 over x, what is f of x? A x, B 1 over x, C x squared, D minus 1 over x. Answer A. The rational function f of x equals x squared minus 1 over x minus 1 has A vertical asymptote at x equals 1, B whole at x equals 1, C horizontal asymptote at y equals 1, D slant asymptote. Answer B. If a quadratic function has a minimum value of minus 5 and x-intercepts at negative 1 and 3, its equation is A y equals x plus 1 times x minus 3 minus 5, B y equals 5 over 4, x minus 1 the whole square minus 5, C y equals 5 over 4, x minus 1 the whole square plus 5, D y equals x minus 1 the whole square minus 5. Answer B. The number of possible real zeros for a polynomial p of x equals x to the power of 4 minus 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 4x plus 1 is A 0, B 1, C 2, D 4. Answer B. If f of x equals x squared plus 2x and g of x equals 3x minus 1, for which value of x is f of g of x equals g of f of x? A 0, B 1, C minus 1, D 2. Answer A. The range of the function f of x equals minus x squared plus 4x minus 3 is A y greater than or equal to 1, B y less than or equal to 1, C y greater than or equal to minus 3, D y less than or equal to minus 3.